Steve Lindshield at Great Plains Manufacturing. We're going to talk a little bit more about some section control settings and what you have available to you for infinite settings on this swath command here. Other than the virtual switches, we have the ASC on. That means it's always going to be painting and it'll never paint twice. If you want to turn that off to manual, that would be turning it off, and that means it can actually go and you can plant without actually painting itself. While it's on, you have the next button up, which is called boundary limit. Unlimited means as long as it doesn't paint a second time, it'll paint anywhere, wherever it is. If you actually have a field boundary out there, then you'd set it for field boundary, and then it will never paint outside the field boundary. Headland would actually be if you had a field boundary and a headland turned on, then the headland setting there means it'll never plant past that headland and will not plant between there and the boundary itself. So those are some of the settings that you have available there in that box there. The top box is basically the control mode, and that's actually adjustable from 0 to 10. And that's talking about the section control, side-to-side overlap, and as you come into the coverage area itself. 0 means little, as soon as it touches, if it goes clear to 0, if you can't poke the little button, you can actually put in the number itself and enter it that way. That means as soon as the section touches a painted area, it's going to shut the whole section off. As we increase that, that's for maximum overlap when you go to the high side, which is a 10 setting there. So a good place to start over there might be kind of 5 or 6 or somewhere in between there. The little spray bar down here is actually the master that actually turns your coverage on and off, and it must be on in order to, as you can see, to turn your rows on and actually do coverage when you're in swath control. For more on Great Plains videos, go to greatplainsag.com. Thank you.